What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. It's Trenius Energy. You're tuned into the infamous Living Room Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're trying to do right. Thank you so much for tuning in. So I'm about to tell you how to use visualizations to motivate you to manifest anything that you want in your life using the law of attraction. Now listen, folks, this is real serious business. I'm only going to tell you the truth and nothing but the truth about how visualizations work. And I'm going to tell you how to manifest anything you want. Now, I don't know what you want to manifest. I don't know what you want to manifest. I just know what I want to manifest, okay? So whatever I tell you, folks, you can fill in the blank and manifest whatever you want to manifest, okay? And I'm just going to cut it right there, okay? So don't blame me for the things that you manifest that you don't want to manifest. At the end of the day, you don't even want it no more. Be careful what you wish for, folks, because you're gonna get it, okay? If you do exactly what I'm telling you. So stay tuned, folks. Oh, by the way, make sure you subscribe, folks. If you're not tuned into a Law of Attraction channel teaching you how to manifest things, make sure you subscribe over here. We are the Realm Team. So stay tuned to the whole video. It's only gonna be about 5 minutes long. But anyway, folks, I want to tell you this. Visualization is the best thing that you can possibly do to get you from where you're at right now to where you want to be, folks. Most people are stuck where they are right now because they don't know how to use their imagination. They don't care to use their imagination. You know what? Most people's imaginations is, guess what? On TV. On TV, folks. And guess what else? Guess where else their imagination is? Thinking about other people's lives. That's why most people cannot get to where they want to go, folks. And I'm sorry to say that. That's a sad truth, but that's the reality of the life that you live. The only way you're going to be able to get from here to there where you want to go, folks, you have to fill up your mind with visualizations of the images and the things that you want to attract for yourself, because you personally have never been there. You have never experienced what you want to have. You don't have what you want yet, right? Am I not right? Come on now, am I not right? Okay, I can say that. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm gonna get back quiet again. Okay, so what you have to do is you literally have to fill your mind up with the thing. It's a brain. This is a brain. This is a tool. This is like a computer, folks. You have to fill your mind up. You have to continuously type in Google the same address again and again, the same place you want to go again and again, until Google actually remembers the next time when you get on there where you want to go. And it'll be like, oh, do you want to go here? It's the same thing with the brain, folks. The more you keep filling your mind up with images of the thing that you want, the brain is going to record that, and it's going to begin to aid you in the process of getting you to that thing that you want or you desire, that you want to manifest into your life. It's that simple, folks. Even me, for instance, that's what I've been doing every day. I'm like in daydream mode. Like every day I'm like visualizing. People be looking at me be like, what the hell is wrong with him? Is he crazy? Because I be like, but the whole time they don't know, like I'm super smart. Like I'm super intelligent. The whole time when you think I'm dumb, I'm like literally manifesting the things that I want to desire in my life. You know, the things that I want to manifest, because I know how this works. And this works by visualizing it, folks. The more your mind gets into a habit of seeing images that you see on the computer, watching YouTube videos of the things that you want to desire. Yeah, watching YouTube, looking at magazines. Yeah. You know, but the thing is, folks, you can even look at people who have the things that you desire. But the thing is, you know, you can't be like everybody else. You can't be jealous. You have to be a person who's inspired, or look, my light is blinking on and off. This is how much energy is going on over here. But you have to be a person that's inspired by another person, you know what I'm saying? And to the point that you can like thrive off of their energy. Because folks, if somebody around you is starting to, you know, be blessed or actually like manifest things in their life, that's a sign right there that you are going to manifest the things that you want into your life. The universe puts somebody around you to receive their breakthrough or to receive their manifestation, all to say to you, yours is coming next, folks. This is how visualizations work, and this is how visualizations, that word, motivate you to attract anything you want into your life. Every great person that ever lived, every billionaire that ever lived, every person that has anything worthy will tell you, folks, the reason how they got there is because they manifested it within their mind first. They thought it, they seen it in their mind over and over every single day. Even days where they felt like it, they had no way of achieving it. Even days where you feel like, you know what, I don't even never know if I'm gonna get this. this money, you know, I don't know if I'm gonna attract this thing, whatever you want to attract. Sometimes it feels like you're never gonna get it. I know. But the truth is, folks, they're gonna have a big celebration for you. They're gonna have a big party for you because you're going to be successful and you're going to get exactly what you're wishing for. That's how the world works. You get exactly what you wish for. So be careful what you wish for, folks. And they're gonna throw a big extravaganza for you. I'm gonna tell you what they're gonna do. They're gonna throw a big extravaganza for you. You're gonna get what you want. Everybody that you ever knew is gonna come around you, want to be around you because you got this new thing. Everybody's gonna want to be your friend. Everybody's gonna be smiling in your face. Hey, you remember me? Come on now. Can I just touch it? Can I just touch it a little bit? Can I ride with you in your new car? Girl, I always been your fan. You know, people are gonna play these roles like they're the best actors and actresses in the world because they're gonna want to be around you because they know you got what it is that you wanted, folks. Trust and believe. They're gonna throw a big shebang for you. I'm just letting you know. I'm just warning you. I'm just the message guy. I keep telling y'all that. But anyway, folks, this is how you manifest anything that you want into your life and let it motivate you. Because like I said, the more you watch these images and these pictures of these things you want, you look at people's lifestyle to have what you want, and you continue to like get that in your mind. Every day when you wake up in the morning, you're gonna be motivated. You're gonna be ready to go do some action work. You know, don't be like a bunch of people. A bunch of people just talk about it, folks. So many people out here, they want the stuff that you're gonna get, but they can't get it because all they do is just yap and just talk about it, folks. They just talk. They just talk. You know that person, they got a big house. Oh, yeah, they got a big house. They got it laid down. Oh, yeah, they got money. I can't stand people like that. Oh, they got money. Yeah. Oh, you see that new car he got? Oh, yeah, that new car he got. He got some money. So what? You ain't got none. You ain't got none. But you gonna have some. And you gonna be that person that everybody talking about. So I'm just warning you right now. This is what motivates you. Visualization motivates you to success and to manifest anything you want, folks. But anyway, folks, I'm Trenius Henderson. Thank you so much for tuning in. Comment below and let us know what some of the things are that you're going to manifest and, you know, some of your life experiences that you're going through. We want to hear all about it. And folks, if you're not subscribed to a channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm Trenius Henderson of the infamous Living Room Network. Yeah, I'm the funny guy. But anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. And by the way, folks, if you're a subscriber of this channel or you just became a subscriber, let's say in the last 2 weeks, listen, I need you to join us. We're the RIM team. Yeah. And what I need you to do, folks, is we need to get to the tippy top. We need to get to the tippy top, folks. And so what I need you to do, I need you to please share at least 2 or 3 videos for me. Just share at least 2 or 3 videos. If you like my messages, if my messages inspire you and make your life better, you know what I mean? Make my life better. And all I ask for, folks, is just share some of my videos. And I will really appreciate it. And you can even speak up, let your voice be heard, leave a comment and below and just say, Trent, as I shared one of your videos, or tag me on Facebook, or let me know in the DM message box on Instagram. I will reach out to you, folks, and I will talk. I am a normal person just like you, even though I'm on this side of the camera. I'm a normal person just like you, okay? Okay, I work too. This is my job, okay? So I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.